Alrighty. You understand the course fire?
Yes.
You may load and make ready.
Bad grip.
Why'd you put a microwave on your gun?
Look, I just took the comp off.
The toaster works fine.
Okay.
For me.
Shooter, are you ready?
Ready.
Stand by.
Oh, nope.
Oh!
Oh!
I told you.
Damn thing.
That's why I shot like 3 times. Range safe?
1825.
Yes, yep,
Range is safe. Sorry.
It doesn't like Asians, man.
I'm just trying. Understand course fire, may load, make ready.
Oh, there it is. How about
Uh-huh.
that? Ah, that's pretty slick. Let's see how this fucking goes.
Watch your doubles over here.
Yeah, that's all right. I'm gonna shoot it with one hand, so I'm gonna be more careful.
Okay. Shooter, are you ready?
Ready?
Stand by.
Maybe. Where's the die?
Get finished. Unload. Show clear. Slide forward. Hammer down. Holster.
That was
Range
weird.
is safe.
How terrible is it?
Clean.
Yay!
No.
Oh no!
Down one.
Damn it! Oh, look at that squeaker. Whew, just broke it. Just broke it. Oh,
Perfect.
slower than yours.
Huh?
Slower than yours.
Yep.
Okay, shooter understood the course of fire.
Yep. 2. Reload there. 1.
I just like making Noli's day by doing the appendix thing.
Oh,
I gotta do it
okay.
once in a while.
If you understand the course of fire, you
Yes.
may load and make ready.
Let's do that.
I had my appendix taken out.
Yeah.
Upper ball sack carry.
This is gonna be fun. No comp. What the hell?
Hey Noli,
Yeah,
don't worry about the hits, just go fast.
that's what I want to do.
If you're ready,
Ready?
So fast.
stand by.
Woo.
So clear, slide forward, hammer, holster.
What's that?
You were trying to get your hits.
Hey, I don't have a comp on my gun. The guy with the blue
The
hand?
guy in the middle?
Okay. I'll give it a shot. He has a nice black dot on his forehead.
I'll bet you do.
Yeah.
Want to bet?
Yeah. Fuck you.
That trigger's not that great.
This one here? No, it's a little spongy. I prefer my Gen 4. I don't know why the Gen 4 is so much nicer.
Because you paid money for it.
I paid money for this one.
That's a different trigger too?
Yeah, chimney.
Oh my god. Shooter,
3 pounds.
are you ready to
Ready.
shoot the hostage?
I am.
Stand by.
Ugh. Shut up. Oh, where are you? Wait.
If you're finished, unload, show clear. Slide forward, hammer down, holster.
I'm like, where are you?
Range is safe, all clean.
Oh, good thing I made up that makeup shot.
It's a hit anyway.
No, it was
It's
outside.
on the line, ain't it?
No, I don't think.
Oh, that's close.
No, it's like an inch off.
Good call. That was good to make a makeup.
All right. Way off.
That was out.
Where are you?
Dude, that first one I threw high as fuck on the head.
Mm-hmm.
I'm like, where the hell? Oh, goodness.
28.72.
Goodness.
Let me. Yeah, I forgot my give a shit buttons at home.
Yeah, okay.
Well, if you're understand course fire, you may load and make ready.
All right.
Procedural.
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 So wait, 2, 3, 3, 3. Okay.
And reload on the run.
Yeah, I'm gonna go to slide lock after this first array.
Are you blazing?
Maybe alright. See, this is where I fuck myself because I'm not shooting it properly.
Shoot. You always go right to left too, right?
Yeah, someone did popper down in there.
Shooter. You understand course fire?
Yes.
Reload. Oh, we did that part.
Yep.
Are you ready?
Ready?
Stand by.
Ah! I had one left.
Slide forward, hammer down, holster.
I should have put 3 on there. I only put 2.
You got 1.
Yeah, that'll work. No, I got 2. Craig, I got
Hit the
2.
barrel. Hold it. We got to find a wax ring. Let her up.
Yep. There's 2.
Those were
No wax ring.
Those were already in.
That one's a wax ring.
How the fuck did I shoot through the barrel through here?
I think
Oh.
those 3 were already in the barrel.
Oh. Well, that one actually doesn't have a wax ring.
Yeah,
That
I'm
was
alright with
probably
that. I only needed 1.
Got 1.
Gotta go Ricky Bobby.